As we have gone through few tools in our last module, let us try and understand the science, the theories behind those tools, which certainly means the statistics. So, when we talk about statistics, we also have to understand what is the predictive process or theory behind those statistics. Nobody might have thought 2 years or probably 20 years back or 2 decades back that the concepts like mean, mode, median, variance, measures, there will be tools which will be built around these concepts and on a common platform which can be applied to any industry which is not specific to mathematics or telecom or oil and gas or government or any of the industry, and that is something which we are actually trying to understand here. We would also like to understand how the variances are applied. We would like to understand what is the process flow behind the statistical data which is getting captured. Now, all this seems very theoretical at all the end, but we also need to understand and apply it practically. We will certainly talk about a case study, but before that let us try and understand what kind of problems or what kind of solutions we can create using these particular tools or these particular statistics. So, the first and foremost solution which we think of is understanding customer behavior. If it is a product based company or a service based company, you certainly need to understand your customer, and to understand your customer we have to have or apply specific algorithms, specific concepts, variance, measures, tendency, based on which we will identify is your product or a service going to corporates or individuals or any specific rural region or any specific urban region. It depends on what kind of product and service you want. So, there are multiple ifs and buts, slices and dices which we need to apply on this kind of data, and that's where we basically have to learn and understand the statistics. Coming to the statistics and identifying a case study, let us understand from the business angle on what are we expecting, what is expected by this product, what is expected by a particular team, what is expected variance level, what is the peak of a particular data which or information which we are trying to capture, and that is something which we would like to learn and understand from this module. Let me, as I did in the last module, let us go through one industry case study in this. Let us assume that we are planning to launch a product, let us say a cold drink. We are planning to launch a new cold drink in the market and we need to do analysis. Now, what analysis as a business owner, what analysis will I need? I would certainly want to understand which can be my target segment. Now, target segment will have multiple variances, like my target segment can be kids, my target segment can be adults, my target segment can be old age people, right? Apart from that, let us understand when we talk about target segment, that can also be from the geo perspective. So, geographically I have to understand that will this work more in south region or north region or east region based on the climatic conditions which we have in India or probably outside India in the globe currently. So, that is how is what I have to understand the customer targets. Second perspective can be the cost of the product. The production cost and the sale cost has to match the mathematical calculation for which I am doing business here. So, for that we also have to analyze that for a drink, a 300 ml drink or a 200 ml drink or a 100 ml drink, what is the spend which kids can do, which adults can do, which college going students can do, and vice versa with old age or any other mass segment which I am trying to target. So, with this kind of information is something which we will help in getting from different statistical tools and concepts. Now, these statistical tools and concepts are mathematical and theoretically based since many years, and now we have converted it to a technology tool and we do have a dedicated aspect and solution to it with the help of which we analyze and work. All the best for studying this module and getting towards delving into multiple data formats which you are available to identify and analyze based on statistical algorithms. Thank you.